This video is for Module 10, and we are going to see how to use Desmos to calculate a confidence interval for a proportion and also for a mean. So I have these problems here from section 9.1. We're building a confidence interval for a population proportion. I'll do 16 because 15, the answer is in the back of the book, and then you can do that one on your own and see if you get the same answer that the back of the book gets. And you can also try 16 on your own after you've watched the video and see if you can reproduce the answer. So to do a confidence interval, you're going to click on this little plus sign here, and that's going to give you all of these choices. And what we want is an inference. So we're going to pick this one that has the nice little normal distribution there. And for this one, we are building a confidence interval for a proportion. So we're going to pick this choice here, z-test for proportions. And then once you've clicked on that, you're going to enter the number of successes here. That's the X value. I had 80 successes. So 80 out of my sample of 200 had whatever it was that I was testing for. So that's what's going to go here. And then the sample size was 200. So I'm just going to put 200 there. And then this creates the test. And now I have to select what I'm building here is a confidence interval. So I'm going to open that up. And now it allows me to enter the level of confidence that I want here. And for this one, we wanted a 98%. So I'm going to change that to 0.98. And then you can see it gives me the interval. So here in the middle is my point estimate. Remember, the point estimate is just the number of successes, 80 in this case, divided by the sample size, 200. So we got 0.4 for our point estimate. And then here's our lower bound, 0.319, and our upper bound, 0.481. To do a confidence interval for a mean, we have this example here from section 9.2, and pretty similar, but we're just going to pick a different option this time. So we're going to click here and select inference again. And this time we want a t-test. We have to use that t distribution when we're working with a sample mean. And this one, it allows you to either give it a list of data, so you could also give it raw data here. But in this case, we know the sample mean and standard deviation. So we are going to click on this stats button. And now you'll see it gives me input boxes for the sample size. And in this case, we had a sample size 20, looking at part A here. So we're going to put 20 for our sample size. And the sample mean was found to be 50. So we're going to put that in the mean. And the sample standard deviation is 8. So we're going to put 8 in here. And then we're going to go ahead and create the test. And again, I'm interested in a confidence interval. So I'm going to click on that arrow to open that up. And I wanted a 98% confidence interval for this problem. So I'm going to come over here and click on that and put in 0.98. And again, you can click on the middle. That will show you the point estimate of 50, which is the mean. Sample mean is our point estimate in this case. And then lower bound of 45.46 and upper bound 54.54. I hope you found that to be useful. Please do reach out if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.